You gotta lift your foot up, Danny, so you can pick it up. That's just simple. You haven't learned that yet? Lift your foot up and grab the toy. You're gonna get stuck. Now you're even more stuck. There you kind of go. Come on. It's not that difficult. You're silly. You're a silly goose. There you go. But I don't want it. Why not? You can do it, Danny. Come on, crawl around. Oh, you can finally start to reach that stuff. We're going to have to lower that cribby crib.